Hi folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. My coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Now, this is massive, folks, so if you're interested, click the first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to that review. You could grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So you can grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer at a much higher price, and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 3 will show you how to create a passive income. And this is not just an ordinary type of business, passive business. It is a reoccurring passive income. And you can do that with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day with the entire system. Now you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. So now let's get on with that review. In a nutshell, the power of positive self-talk is the ultimate guide for those who want to harness the transformative power of their inner dialogue. It will teach you the characteristics of positive self-talk, its profound impact on mental well-being, and practical strategies for cultivating a positive mindset. It's your customer's go-to self-help blueprint to effortlessly reshape your cognitive patterns, foster optimism, and unlock their full potential through the power of positive self-talk. Now, the vendors are 2 well-known creators in the self-development niche, Yu Xuan and Kali Lee. They have several Warrior Plus self-help products under their belt, and I have bought many of them, and I am sure this will be an extremely worthwhile addition to your products. Inside, you will discover that the nature and characteristics of positive self-talk, how self-talk affects confidence, resilience, physical well-being, and mental health. You'll learn how the advantages of consistent self-talk are real for you, and the importance of self-reflection. You'll find techniques for incorporating affirmative thinking into your daily routine, and you'll learn much, much more. Now, here's the sales funnel, folks. The front end includes the module for a quality ebook. It includes a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, a high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, exclusive lead magnets, professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphic pack, license certificates, and you'll receive 3 extra bonuses: a PLR powerhouse, sales funnel hacks, and an unannounced bonus. Now there are 4 OTOs, And the first OTO includes a high-quality videos upgrade, a high-converting upsell page, professional video sales letter, professional slides to all videos, a complete video transcript, MP3 audio files, an exclusive PLR to Pro upgrade, plus mega bonuses. That's for $47. OTO2 is for $97, and it is a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all PLR packages come with full front-end product and Pro upgrades. OTO3 is between $77 and $147, depending on what you choose, and it's a done-for-you installation service. And OTO4 varies from $27 to $197, depending on what you choose, and it includes the Abundance Print VIP membership, and you'll also receive easy access to their latest PLR products every month. Now, the sales funnel is important, but watch for the downsell. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, really don't forget to check out the $10,000 monthly opportunity in the first link below, and my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.